Okay, I have a quick tip for posting on LinkedIn. So when you're sharing a new written post or any post in general, we're talking about using emojis. Now, I know some people may think, it's LinkedIn. Can we stop making it so personable, so sociable? It's like, okay, but still, people react to emojis. Now, when you're on your MacBook or desktop, they don't give you the options of emojis. On your phone, of course, you have it right there. The iPhone has them. But there is a shortcut I can show you for Mac users of how to insert emojis in a LinkedIn post. So let's get right to it. Create a post up here. I have a question for you all. Now, I could just have that thinking emoji, right? So on the MacBook, press Control, Command, Spacebar at the same time, and then this shortcut comes up where you have all your emojis here. So then I can just put that in, and there we go. Now you have emoji. You can do that from your iMac, MacBook, super easy, super simple. So if you want to use emojis and you're just like, why can't I do it when I'm on my MacBook? I can only do it on my phone. Control, Command, Spacebar brings them all up, and you can search them, easily add them into your post. That's it. Share this video if you find it useful and you think if other people have asked you on it.